Subheading squares. Just write one example. 2 into 2 is equal to 2 square equal to 4. 2 into 2 equal to 2 to the power. Power means we want to write in the top. Okay. So 2 raised to 2 equal to 4. Next, one more example. What is the 3 square?
9.
9. Right. Next example. 3 into 3 equal to 9. That is equal to 3 square. These are called square numbers. These are called square numbers. The square of a number is obtained by, write the definitions, okay? These are called square numbers. The square of a number is obtained by multiplying the number by itself. First line, these are called square numbers. The second sentence, okay, the square of a number is obtained by multiplying the number by itself. Okay. Next, next point, please write. A number is a perfect square. A number is a perfect square if it can be expressed expressed as the product of pairs of factors.
Ma'am, sorry. Is the product of?
Wait, a number is a perfect square if it can be expressed as the product of pairs of factors. Factors means what? Example, 2 into 2. So 2 into 2. Just listen, 2 into 2. The two twos are, okay, that is a factors. Product means what? That answer only called product. Okay, 4 is the product. Example, we'll just learn, I think we are that factors and multiples we are learning in 4th standard onwards. 2 fours are 8. Okay, 2 fours, 2 into 4. Okay, that is a factors. 2 and 4 is the factor, but 8 is the product. 1 into 8. So 1 and 8 are the factors and 8 is the product. What happened, Vijay? Any disturbance is the? Just tell me, okay? Anything is done means please tell me, okay? Please listen, okay? I'll just repeat the definition. Please listen, okay? A number is a perfect square if it can be expressed as the product of pairs of factors. Example, natural number m. For example, a natural number m, small letter m, is a square number if we can write m is equal to n square. If we can write m is equal to n square.
Ma'am, you can repeat that sentence.
Yes. For example, just examples only, okay? This is a common thing, general format, okay? For example, a natural number, that means counting numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, natural number m is a square, m is a square, m is a square number if we can write m equal to n square, m equal to n square. For the natural number n, nothing is there, okay? Just this is a general equation only, okay? Just or otherwise we can write, just put one next point. Example for any number n. Next point, please write. For any number n, small letter n, okay, not capital letters, small letters n, okay. For any number n, comma, square of n is equal to n into n. That is equal to n square. N into n, that is n square. The natural number, the natural number, the natural numbers which are squares of some natural numbers are called perfect square. The natural numbers which are squares of some natural number are called perfect square. Okay, clear? See, nothing is there. Okay, n is a natural number. Just imagine natural number means counting numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, so 1 square is equal to, what is the 1 square? 1 into 1. 1 only. Okay, next 2 square. 4 only. 3 square. 9. Okay, 4 square. 16. Okay, 5 square. 25. Just take the numbers 1, next 4, 9, 16. Everything just in natural numbers only. Okay, 1, 2, 3 we are counting means including. Okay, that numbers also included. Okay, so this like numbers are called perfect squares. Okay, and just try 1.5 into 1.5. What is the answer? Just find out. 1.5 into 1.5. 1.5 into 1.5. I think 1 or 2 new students are there. Okay, just welcome to Guruji class.
Ma'am, answer 2.25. 2.25.
2.25. Vidya, any doubt is there means please ask. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And Jairam also the new student. Hello. Just switch on your video mode, ma Jairam. Jairam, it's audible. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Just switch on the video mode once. Few seconds.
Ma'am, there's no camera in my lab.
Okay, okay. Then okay, no problem. Okay, any doubt means please ask, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Clear your doubts, okay? Please listen, okay? We have started squares and square root, okay? Squares and square root. We are just is introducing squares, okay? Squares means just a number just multiplied, okay? That example 2 into 2 is equal to 2 to the 2 to the
4,
4 only, okay? So 4, okay? 3 into 3
9,
9, okay? So 2 is repeating how many times, no? 2 into 2. How many 2s are there?
2,
2 2s are. Okay, so 2 raised to 2. 2 to the power 2 is called 4. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, the same method only 3 square. 3 into 3. 3. Okay. Okay, please listen. Okay, I will just, okay. Next question, next heading. M is equal to n square. That is a general notation only. Okay, M is means that is the answer. Any number, n means natural numbers power. Okay, it is equivalent to M only. M means that is a another perfect square. Okay, we can take it as in a number perfect square if it can be expressed as the product of pairs of factors. So M means a product. Okay, just example 4 is the number square only. Okay, so 4 means 2 into 2, two numbers factor. Okay, just 2 into 2, that 2 2s are factors only, but 4 is the answer, that is a product. Clear? Next one, do one small exercise. Okay, I will give you just write 1 to 25 numbers and find out the squares also. Now 1 to 25. Okay, first numbers. Okay, first
Yes,
n.
ma'am.
Okay, that first column is n. Okay, next number is n square. That means 1 means 1 square. It is equal to 1 square is equal to 1. Next 2. 2 square means 4. Okay, next 3. 3 square means 9. So just find out 1 to 25. I'll give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes is enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just try. Just try, okay? Completed.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, completed.
Completed. Good. And then now?
Ma'am, last two, ma'am.
Okay, find out. Vidya completed?
Going to complete.
Okay. Jay Kailash?
Ma'am, 1 to 25 only, no, ma'am.
Huh?
Ma'am, 1 to 25 only, no, ma'am.
25. 1 to 25.
Ma'am, completed, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Jairam completed?
Completed, ma'am.
Okay, good. So check your answers. Okay, just I'll read the numbers. Okay. So first one 1, next one 4. 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. Okay, 3 square.
9.
Just, one by one, just repeat. Okay, one by one. Okay. So 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to
25.
25. 6 square.
36.
7 square.
49.
8 square.
64. 64.
64. 9 square.
81.
81. 10 square.
100.
100. 11 square.
121.
121. Okay, 12 square.
144.
13 square.
144. 169.
169. Okay, 14 square.
196.
196. 15 square.
225.
196.
25. Okay. 225. 15 square. 16 square.
256.
256. Okay. 17 square.
289.
289.
289. Okay. 18 square.
324.
324. Okay. 19
324.
square. 19 square. 361. Okay.
361.
20 square.
400.
400. Okay.
400.
21.
441.
Okay. 22. 22.
484.
484.
Okay. 23.
529.
529.
529.
Okay. 24.
576.
576. Okay. 25.
625.
625. Good.
625.
Okay, today's homework. Okay, just try to write 25 to 50, 26 to 50, 50. Okay, and just daily read these numbers. Okay, numbers and squares. Okay, then automatically you will by heart the numbers. Okay, so same thing we are applying in mensuration. That means area, volume, and that like questions are there. Okay, that like one unit is there. Okay, so we are applying the squares. Okay, so when we'll just do the multiplication means it will take time. Okay, daily you can practice this. Okay, just one or two times just read this numbers. Okay, clear. It's useful only because why means this 8th standard only is starting, and 9th standard they are connecting with the algebra section, and next 10th standard also many questions are okay. Just find this not directly. Okay, they are given indirectly. Okay, so the squares is by heart and means we can apply directly. We know means 12 square, 26 square, 30 square. Okay, this like. Okay, so daily once just revise the, just revise means just read, that's all. Okay, and in between just one easy method is there. Okay, one some properties are there. Just please write property number 1. Properties of square numbers. Write the subheading properties of square numbers. I'll read the concept, just listen. Okay, property 1. Okay, property 1, that means some rules only. Okay, just nearly 7 or 8 rules are there. Okay, please listen. Okay, basic concepts. Okay, we if we study the table of squares first 1 to 100, now we are completed 1 to 25 only. Okay, just 1 to 25, just like 1 to 100. Okay, just imagine 1 to 100, easy only now. No. Okay, if we study the table squares of first 100 natural numbers discussed in the previous section, we observe that every square number, that is the value of n square. That means whatever number is given, we are calculate n square also. Okay, the ends with any one of the digit. N means ending number. That means ones, tens. We are just reading ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. This
Can you
like
repeat?
place value method. Okay, place value. How to read the numbers? We'll just count it ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000. This like. Okay, so this is the method. Okay, so ending number, that means ones place. Okay, if one of the digits 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, that is the unit place of the square's number is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Okay, I will tell you one example also, or in another way. Okay, a square number cannot have its unit digit 2, 3, 7, 8. Check the numbers. Whatever we are getting now, just check the numbers. Squares, what is any number? Okay, 1 to 25 numbers we wrote. Is it correct only now? Check the that squares. That means answers. It is ending with 2. 125 we are calculator. So any number square is ending with the 2. No, okay.
No,
Just
ma'am.
ending. Okay, just connect with the 3. 3 is the ending with 3.
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
okay.
ma'am.
Next is 7.
No, ma'am.
No. Or 8 is the.
No, ma'am.
No, this is the hint only. Okay, so please write property number 1. A square number, please write. A square number cannot have its units digit as 2, 3, 7 or 8. A square number cannot have its units digit as 2, 3, 7 or 8. Okay, so any chances are there? Is ending with the 2, 3s? No.
ma'am.
Okay, so property number 1. Okay, so it's finished. Okay, there's a one hint only. Next one, listen. Okay, just I will read this topic. Please listen. Okay, Vidya, any doubters, Dharma? Vidya and Jairam?
No, ma'am.
Okay, any difficulties means please ask. Okay. On studying the table, whatever we have completed, related only. Okay, so on studying the table of square of the first 100 natural numbers, if we pick up a few square numbers whose unit places 1, we observed that. That means 1 square is equal to 1. Okay, 9 square? 81. Okay, 11 square?
121.
Okay, 19 square?
361.
Okay, 21 square? 21 square?
441.
441. 29. Okay, 29 square. Just find out the 29 square. 29 into 29.
841. Ma'am,
841. Well, correct. The square number whose unit place is 1 are the squares of the number whose unit digit either 1 or 9. Okay. Please write the numbers. First number 1. So 1 square is equal to 1. Second number 9 square. It is equal to 9 square is equal to
81.
81. Okay, 11 square. Third number. Just
121.
one by one write. Okay, then
121.
only easy. Okay, then only easy. Please write. Okay. So first one 1 square is equal to 1. Next one 9 square is equal to 81. And 11 square is equal to 121. Okay. Next 19 square is equal to
361.
361. Okay. 21 square is equal to
441.
441. Okay. Okay. 29 square is equal to
841.
841. Okay. Next, please write the statement. The square numbers, please write the square numbers whose unit place, that means ones place. Okay. That means ending numbers. The square numbers whose unit place is 1 are squares. 1, number 1. Okay, 1 are squares of the numbers whose units digit is either 1 or 9. Either 1 or 9.
Ma'am, can you repeat it?
The square numbers whose units place 1 are squares of the numbers whose units digit is either 1 or 9. either 1 or 9. Full stop. That is if a number has, please write, if a number has 1 or 9, if a number has 1 or 9 in the unit place, then its square has 1 in the unit place. Nothing is there. Okay, example, the ending number 1. Okay, ending number 1 la varanum. Okay, and the madri numbers choose பண்ணும்போது example, even okay, 1 square is equal to 1 only. Next, which number it will come? Okay, 9 square, that is ending with the 81 only. Okay, 81 means that ending number is 1 only. Next number 11. Okay, 11 means ending with the 1 only. 11 square is equal to 121. Again ending number is 1 only. Next 19. 19 means 361. Okay, again ending number 1 only. So what are the possibilities are there here? 1 odd square 1 varala. Okay, then ending number 9. That means 19, 29, 39 is like. Or otherwise 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, everything. Okay, ரெண்டு chance தான் இருக்கு. Okay, first one is 1 odd square ending number la 1 வரலாம். Okay, 1 square 1 only. Then 9 square, 9 9s are 81. Again ending number is 1 only. Okay, next one 11, 19. Next number 21 and 29. Next number 31 and 39. Okay, next number 41 and 49. Okay, this is an easy method. Okay, next property number 3. Next property. Please write. If a number has 3 or 7, if a number 3 or 7 in the unit place, then its square has 9 in its units place. If a number has 3 or 7 in the unit place, then its square has 9 in its units place. Example, 3 square is equal to 9. Okay, 7 square is equal to 49. Okay, 13 square is equal to 169. 17 square is equal to 289. Please check the answers. First one 9, 49. So again 9 is the 169. Ending number is 9. And next one is 17 only. That is 289. Example. What is the property number 3? 3 and 7. Ending number. ஒரு நம்பரோட ending number 3 இல்லனா 7 வரும்போது அதோட answer. It is ending with the 9 only. That means 3 square is equal to 9. Again 7 square. 7 into 7, 49. Okay. Again next 13. 13 square. That means 13 square is equal to 169. Okay. Next 17 square. 289. Now clear?
Yes.
This is a simple text only. Okay, just you have to keep in mind. Okay, where we are applying means is the squares. One is how to find the squares. Okay, that part. Okay, another part is sometimes you want. Okay, one more question. Find the square root of a number. Square root of a number. Example, root 4 is equal to. Even reverse order also will find out. Now we are calculating 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Next question is square root of 4 means it is equal to 2. That's all. Okay, in that particular case, we can use this. Okay, so ending number எது வந்திருக்காங்க. So அதை identify பண்ணி we can find out this. Okay, so just learn this properties. Okay, so first property mean 2, 3, 7 or 8. Ending number vanda that is not a perfect square. Okay, next one, what is perfect square means? Sometimes some chances are there. Okay, sometimes 3 is not a perfect square. Okay, then 5 is a perfect square? No. Empty perfect square. 5, 5. 2 square means that is a 4 only. Next 3 square means 9 only. 5 எங்கேயாவது வருதா? இல்ல. No. Okay. Answer perfect square na ஏதாவது ஒரு answer எடுத்து check பண்ணும்போது அது again natural number வரணும். Example, 2 square is equal to 4. Okay, 3 square is equal to 9. 2 square is equal to 4. 4 after we will get the next number is 9 only. In between any numbers are there? What happened? Okay, just to check with this. 3 is the or 5 is the? No. 6 is the? 6 is the perfect square? No. Next one, 8 is a perfect square? 8?
Yes, ma'am. No,
Yes.
no.
No. Okay. ஒரு நம்பரோட ஸ்கொயர் எடுக்கும்போது just example 2 square is equal to 4. So 4 is a natural number only. So we can take it as a perfect square. Next number 3 only. 3 square means that is a 9. 3 into 3. In between any numbers are there? No. Next 4 square is equal to 16. Okay. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next one, property number. Property number 4. He's right. If a number has 4 or 6, if a number has 4 or 6 in the unit place, if a number has 4 or 6 in the unit place, if a number has 4 or 6 in the unit place, then its square has 6 in the unit place. If a number has 4 or 6 in the unit place, that means ending with a 4 or 6. Okay, 4 or 6 in the unit place, then its square has 6 in the unit place. Example, 4 square is equal to, what is the answer? 4 into 4? 16, right. Next number 6 square is equal to 36. Okay. Next 14 square, 14 square is equal to 196. Okay. And what is the next number?
16 square, ma'am.
16 square, good. It is equal to
256.
256. Okay, you can check other number also. Okay, so here see 4 square, that means 4 square is equal to 16. 4 square is equal to 16. 6 square means 6 into 6 ending with the 36 only. See what is the number? 36 ending with 6. Next 14 square, 196 ending number is again 6. Okay, this is a trick only. So the unit place 4 means we'll get ending with 6. Again 6 square also. 6 square means answer is 36. Okay. Next number 14. 14 is equal to 196. Okay. 16. 256. Okay, find out this like, okay, 24 and 26. Okay. 24, what is the answer? 24. Yeah, already.
576.
576. Okay, ending number?
6, ma'am.
6. Okay. Just try this like numbers. Okay. Next number, property number 5.
Ma'am, 26 square is 676, ma'am.
670. Okay.
76, ma'am.
26 square is 676. Okay.
676, ma'am.
Okay. Next, 34 square means? See, one easy trick is there. Okay, actually that okay, in one easy trick is there. Okay, in maths actually Vedic mathematics. Okay, one stream is there in maths. Okay, that means shortcut methods. Okay, shortcut methods are the time is there means I will take that part also. Okay, one day I will take Vedic mathematics. You can check with the check in net also. Okay, this is a good actually it's interesting thing only. Okay, interesting part only. How to find the squares, how to use that formula. Some easy tricks are the easy maths or mental maths. Okay, but that maths stream name is Vedic mathematics. Okay, I think in news also, okay, that one boy is 6th standard or 7th standard boy is predicting some that astrology wise. Anybody seeing that video in WhatsApp?
YouTube only, no.
Huh?
YouTube only, ma'am.
YouTube, WhatsApp, everything. Okay, even Facebook news also. Okay, that actually that prediction they are done with this Vedic mathematics only. Numbers calculations. Okay, it's an interesting thing only. Time is there means just try to learn that one. Easy only. Okay, just try. Okay, interesting thing only. Just try. We are just using some step by one only. Example, multiplication. First 2 digit or 1 digit. Okay, just we want to do. Okay, 2 digit means nearly 2 or 3 steps we want to do. Okay, and after 3 digit means again 3 steps. Okay, so we want to multiply with a one by one. Okay, then only we will get the answer. It will take minimum 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes only. Okay, so more than abacus, it is useful only. Abacus, those who are learning abacus in your school, abacus class is the okay. Even more than okay, abacus means just a numbers again same method only, but it is more useful only. Just try to just try this one. Okay, Vedic mathematics. Okay, free time is the mean just you can search in net also. Okay. Next property number 5.
5.
Okay. Please, if a number has, please write the definition. If a number has m zeros, if a number has m, small letter m zeros, at the end, then its square has 2m. If a number has m zeros, at the end, then its square has 2m zeros at the end. If a number has m zeros at the end, then its square has 2m zeros at the end. Okay, at the end. Okay, example. 10 square is equal to 10 into 10.
100.
100. Okay. 20 square is equal to
400. 400.
400. Okay. Next, 100 square is equal to
10,000.
10,000. Okay. Exam easy only. Huh? Next, 40 square is equal to 40. 40 square is equal to 4 square. What is the 4 square? 4 square is equal to 16. Okay. Then 1 0 means we want to write it double zeros. Okay. Example, just you can check with the 10. 10 square means 10 into 10. So 1 square is equal to 1. Then in 10 only 1 0 is there. We want to take it as a double. Okay. 1 0 means we want to take double. So answer is 1 and double 0. That means 100. Okay. 20 square means
400.
400. Okay. 3 square
9.
9 and 2 zeros. Only 1 zeros we are taking, so 900. Okay. Next, 100 square is equal to
10,000.
10,000. Okay. 200 square is equal to
40,000.
2 square. What is the 2 square?
4.
4. Number of zeros here 2 only. What is the double of 2?
Ma'am, 40,000. 40,000.
4 zeros. Okay, good. Clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Easy? Next, sixth property. Please write. Square of an even number. Please write. Square of an even number is always even, and square of an even number is always even. Square of an even number is always even. Square of an even number is always even. And square of an odd number is always odd. Square of even number is always even number. Even. And square of an odd number is always odd. Okay, clear now? See, even numbers means ending with the 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, this only called. Okay, ending with these numbers. Okay, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, just check with these numbers. Now just check with what is 2 square is equal to 4 only. 4 square is equal to
16.
16. Okay. Next, 6 square is equal to
84.
6 square
36.
36. Okay. 8 square is equal to
64.
64.
Okay. 10 square is equal to
100.
100. Okay. 12 square is equal to 144. Okay. So please check the numbers. Everything is even numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When we are choosing the even numbers, the answer also even number. Clear now? Now check it. What is 1 square? 1 square?
1.
1. Okay. 3 square?
9.
9. 5 square?
25.
25. Okay. 7 square?
49.
49. Okay. Next, 9 square?
81.
81. 11 square?
121.
121. 13 square?
169.
9. Check the numbers. We are choosing only odd numbers. So answer also odd numbers. Now clear? Concept is clear? Nothing is there. Okay, check the number. The even number square is always even number. Odd number square is always odd number. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next property number
7.
7. Please write. If a number ends with digit 5, if a number ends with digit 5, its square also ends with digit 5. If a number ends with digit 5, comma, its square also ends with digit 5. Okay? Example?
5 square.
5 square is equal to?
25.
Right. Example. 5 square is equal to 5 square is equal to 25. Next, 15 square is equal to
Ma'am, 225.
225. Okay.
25 square.
Next,
25.
25 square is equal to
625.
25. Okay. 35 square is equal to? I'll tell you one easy method. Okay, just try.
Ma'am,
35 square.
Ma'am,
25 square is equal to 625.
1225, ma'am.
Okay, 1225.
25.
Okay, which method? Nandana?
Ma'am, like 35 into 35 only, ma'am.
35 into 35 only. Okay, I will tell you one easy method. 3, 5. Okay, 3 and 5. What is the difference between 3 and 5? 2. Okay.
Two,
What is the
ma'am.
ending number? 5 only. Now 5 after what will come?
6.
6 only. 2. The difference is 2 into 3. Sorry. 2 into 6. What is the answer?
12.
12. Okay. Then 5 square is equal to?
25.
Now just join and read. First answer is 12 and second number is 25.
5.
What is the answer? 35 square? 1225. Is it correct, Amina? 1225. Okay, this is an easy trick. Okay, so just next property number 8. Property number 8. Perfect square, please write. Perfect squares are always positive. 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 So example, why they are given this? Like just one statement is given, na? Why? For what? Any idea about this? No. Okay, example just I think in this first lesson is related to integers. Is it correct? Integers means what?
Positive and negative number.
Positive and negative including 0 also. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So now just tell me, okay, what is minus 2 square? minus 2 square.
Ma'am, 4.
4, ma'am.
Ma'am,
4 only. Why? Then where is that minus?
minus less.
Minus plus,
That's
ma'am.
only. Minus into minus plus.
Plus.
Okay. So when we are taking the negative square also, we'll get only the positive answer. Clear? Example minus 3 square.
And
9. Okay.
9.
Minus 2 square.
4.
4.
4, ma'am.
Minus 5 square.
25.
25. He's
25.
right. Examples. Minus 3 square is equal to 9. Okay. Next, 3 square is equal to what is the 3 square?
9, ma'am.
9. Okay. Minus 12 square.
144.
144. Okay. 12 square.
144.
140. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have completed the properties. Okay. So we have completed the properties. What is the first property? Please repeat one by one. Vijay, please.
Ma'am,
First property.
square number cannot have a units number as 2, 3, 7 and
2, 3, 7 and
8.
8. Okay. Next property, Nandana.
A square number which has 1 or 9 in its units digit will have the answer 1 in the units digit.
Okay. Next, J. Kailash. Third property. J. Kailash. Okay, Vidya, what is the answer, ma? Just third property.
If a number 3 or 7 in the unit place, then its square has 9 in its unit
Okay.
place.
Okay. J. Kailash. It's audible? J. Kailash. Okay, some network problem issues are there. Okay. So, okay, Jairam, please tell me fourth property.
If a number has 4 or 6 in its unit number, it has 6 in its unit number in its square.
Okay, okay, good. Okay, next fifth property. J. Kailash. What is the fifth property? Please just read ma. Fifth property.
If a number has m zeros at the end, the number has m square at the end.
2m, not end. Okay, just again m. Okay, first we are just connecting with if a number has m zeros. M means that is a particular number. Okay, we'll get answer 2 into m. That means we'll get 2 means any number into 2 means we'll get double. Okay, 2m only, 2m. If a number has m zeros at the end, then its square has 2m zeros at the end. Okay, double only. Next property. Just Vijay, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Square
of even number is always even, and the square of odd numbers are
always odd. Good. Next property number 7. Vidya.
If a number ends with 5, its square also ends with 5.
Okay, good. Next last property. So perfect square are always positive. Okay. So next one. Related some questions only. Okay. Some patterns are there. Okay, I will tell you, just find out. Okay, so please tell me. Okay, one please write this. Okay, patterns in square numbers. Please write the heading patterns in square numbers. Patterns in square numbers. Completed. Heading is completed. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Okay, just tell me. Okay, first odd number. What is the first odd number?
1.
1 only. Okay, 1 square is equal to
1.
1.
One.
Okay. Right. Now 1 equal to 1 square. 1 equal to 1 square. Okay. Find out the next odd number.
3.
3, ma'am.
3 only. Okay, 1 plus 3, find out.
1.
1 plus 3,
4.
4 only. Okay. Right. First odd number 1 only. So 1 square is equal to
1, ma'am.
1 only. Okay. Next, first odd number 1. Second odd number
3.
3 only. 1 plus 3,
4.
4.
which number? Just find out the square. Which number square? Just see
2.
2 square only 4. Okay. So 4 is equal to 2 square. Okay. 4 is equal to 2 square. Okay. So next number. First odd number 1. Second odd number 3. And third odd number
1 plus 3 plus 5.
1 plus 3 plus 5. Okay.
3 square.
Hmm?
3 square.
9. It is equivalent to 3 square. Now clear? Find out the next number.
Now 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, 16. 4 square.
1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. It is equal to, what is the sum of these numbers?
16.
16. Okay. So find out the this one. Which number square is 16?
4 square.
4 square. Good. Okay. Find out the next number.
Ma'am,
1.
1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 25. That's 5 square.
Okay. One more number. 1 plus 3 plus
3
5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11.
11.
36.
36. It is equal to
6 square.
6
6
square.
square. Okay. This is one number. Just number pattern only. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So any odd numbers, sum of odd numbers, pattern, just please write the small definition is there. Please write. The square of any natural number, the square of any natural number n equals, the square of any natural number n equals the sum of first n odd numbers. Sum means addition only. The square
Ma'am,
of,
one more time you can repeat.
yes ma'am, the square of any natural number, the square of any natural number n, small letter n. N means it's a common number or natural number. Okay. So n equals
Yes.
the sum of first n odd numbers. The sum of first n odd numbers. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just I'll give you next number. Write the second part, okay? the square, I'll give the definition, find out the numbers, okay? The square of any odd number, the square of any odd number can be expressed as the sum of two consecutive positive number. The square of any odd number, the square of any odd number can be expressed as the sum of two consecutive positive numbers. The squares of any odd number can be expressed as a sum of two consecutive positive numbers. Consecutive means what? Consecutive number. Continuous numbers. Okay, what is the meaning of the definition? Okay, please. The square of any odd number. That means, okay, just take, okay. So, any odd number can be expressed as a sum of two consecutive positive numbers. Example, 3 square is equal to 9. Okay. So, we can write as a 4 plus 5 is equal to 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please write. This is the example only. Just write example. 3 square is equal to 9. Okay. So we can write 4 and 5. 4 after only 5. So 4 we are starting number. What is the next number? 5. So consecutive means continuous numbers. Okay, continuation is the 4 after only 5 will be there. Okay, 4 plus 5. What is the answer? 9. Which number square? 3 square only 9. Okay. Next number.
1 square means it will be 0 plus 1.
0 plus 1. Odd numbers only. We are taking odd numbers. 0 we cannot add. Okay, no problem. 1 is a starting number. 0 is an odd number or even?
Even.
Any numbers? Okay. 0, 20 means is an even number. Otherwise 0. Simply we can take it as a 0 is an even number. Take it and tell me, okay?
Ma'am, then 5 square.
Yes, 5 square. What is the answer? 5 square?
25, ma'am.
25. Okay, just write. Okay, 25. So just split the numbers. 12 plus 13. 12 plus 13. 12 plus 13. What is answer? 12 plus 13 is answer is 25 only. Continuous number 12 after 13. 12 plus 2 numbers are there. Just add consecutive numbers, you will get the answer.
Ma'am, any 2 consecutive numbers, ma'am.
Any consecutive numbers. Just try. Next number, just I will tell you. Okay, 3 square plus, okay, or just 7 square. I'll give you one. Just wait. Okay, Nandan, I will tell you one example. Okay, I'll give you small equation. Okay, then easy only. Just apply that one. Now just tell me 7 square is equal to
49, ma'am.
49. 49. 24 plus 25. 24 plus 25. Continuous numbers only. Okay, you can use this number. Okay, so please write this. Okay, small notes. Okay, just a small in between small note is the for any odd natural number n. For any odd natural number n, simple trick only. Okay, we can apply this one. So for any odd natural number n, comma, we can write its square as, we can write its square as n square minus 1, n square minus 1 whole divided by, that n square minus 1 whole divided by 2. 2. I will okay, just write n square minus 1 by 2, that center part plus Okay. Next, n square plus 1 by 2. First number is n square minus 1 by 2 plus
Ma'am, can you repeat?
n square minus 1. N small letter n is the n square minus 1 by 2 plus n square plus 1 by 2. First number minus. Okay. N means particular number. Any, just take any number square. Example, 3 square. First number we are calculator. What is the first number? Or the n place. Okay, you can substitute n place. Okay, that is n square means we will substitute in that particular place 3 square. Right? Please write the example 3 square. 3 square minus 3 square minus 1 by 2. 3 square means
9 minus
9.
8. 9
9,
minus 1.
9, 9
8 by
minus 1, 8. 8 by 2, that is a 4. Okay, that is 4. Clear?
Then
Next number 3 square plus 1 by 2. 3 square, that means 9.
9 plus
Okay,
1 by
9 plus 1,
10 by 2.
10 by 2. Okay, 10 by 2 means what is it? Any number divided by 2 means half of the number. Okay, 10 by 2, 10 half, what is that? 5. Okay, so any number in place we can substitute 100 or 300 or something. Okay, that particular number's square. Okay, find out 4 square. 4 square minus 1 by 2. 4 square
7.
minus 1. That means 4 square means 16. 16 minus 1, 16,
15.
15 by 2.
7 point.
Hmm?
15 by 2, 7 point.
Next,
Ma'am,
next number plus 1.
And that's 8.2.
Then add, just add together.
16.
That's all. Okay. Just find out 5 square minus 1 by 2. 5 square minus 1 by 2. 5 square.
25.
25 minus 1.
24. 24.
24. Half of 24.
12.
12. Okay. Okay. 12 is the first number. Next number, find out the next number 24. 24 plus 1.
Plus 1.
25. 25
20.
plus 1. 26 by 2.
13.
13.
13.
So 14 plus, what is the number? 5 square
12
is,
plus 13.
what is the answer?
25.
That's all. Clear?
Yes,
Third pattern. Please write.
ma'am, when will the class get over?
What is the class timing? Who's asking? Jera.
No, ma'am.
Jay Kailash. 1.5 hours ma class timing. Okay, duration. Okay, just check it. Starting time and ending time. Okay. No clear. Okay, third one. Please listen. Okay, third property or third pattern. Okay, please write the definition. Sum of any two consecutive triangular numbers. Sum of any two consecutive triangular numbers is a square number. Sum of any two consecutive triangular numbers is a square number. Sum of any two consecutive means continuous. Okay. Sum of any two consecutive triangular numbers is a square number. First number. Okay. So first number 1. Next number.
2.
What is the sum of any two consecutive triangular numbers is a square of numbers. We want to make it as a triangle. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you one example. Just one means just in between. Okay, just put one dot. Okay, one circle, or otherwise we can just draw one dot or one star or something. Okay. So next one, what is the next? Triangular means triangular. You want to make it as a triangle. Just draw one triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in three corners, just draw one. Just put one dot. 1, 2, 3. So first one 1. Next 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. That means 4 is equal to 2
2
square.
square.
Okay. Next one. Okay. Now triangular pattern. We want to make it again one more triangle. So just draw one. Okay. 1, 2, 3 dot. First one dot only. Next, leave some space and just 2 dots. Okay. First one part is already there. Next one we are arranging just the numbers in triangular base. Okay. So first one is 1 only. After 2, 1 dot. Okay. Then only we can make the triangle. Okay. So first one 1 dot. Again 3 dots. Okay. Next, 1, 2, 3. The baseline 3 dots. 3 dots. 1, 2, 3 dots. In between gap is there, no? The 3 dots.
Yes,
1,
ma'am.
2, 3. Just you have to fill the gap.
Yes, ma'am.
So we can put 2 more dots. Okay. 1, 2, 3. In between 2 gap is there. So first gap 1 dot. Again another gap is there. 1 more dot. So now 2 dots. Okay. Again one more dot is there. We can just again the 2 means one more gap is there. Just put one more dot.
Ma'am, 9.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Yes. So what is the answer?
9. 9.
9. Okay. So same method only. Okay. This is another. But
Ma'am.
numbers in triangular pattern. Yes.
Square number.
I don't
Square
understand
numbers.
this pattern.
Triangular pattern. The pattern it will be just like a triangular method. Okay. Triangle method. Triangle means what? The 3 sides are there, 3 corners are there. Okay, so first we are taking with the starting with a 1 only. Okay, so 1 we are just taking means next numbers. Okay, first base is starting with a 1 only. After 2 dots, just arrange 2 dots. In between one gap is there, we can just put one more dot. Example I will show you on one paper. Is just see here. See here, first one number. This is one number. Okay. Next, second means 1, 2. The 2 numbers. In between small gap is there, so we can just put one more. Okay. So first one is 1. Another, just count the points. Here 1 and 1, 2. Next, 3 is there. 3 plus 1, 4. Is equal to 4. So it is equal to 2 square. Now 2 square is equal to 4. Okay. Next, a triangular pattern. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 dots. 1, 2. Again here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus nearest one 3 is the 6 plus 3 9. 9 is equal to 3 square. Okay. Just add with it. Triangular sums. Okay. What they are given is sum of any two consecutive. Just read the statement. Sum of any two consecutive triangular numbers. Number. Just try to complete that sentence.
It's a square.
Sum of any two consecutive triangular numbers is a square number. Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, fourth property. Fourth pattern. Please write fourth pattern. Okay. Between the square of n. Between the square of n and the square of n plus 1. Between the square of n, small letter n, and the square of n plus 1. Just write in bracket, okay, n plus 1 in bracket. Comma, there are 2n non-square numbers.
Ma'am, how to write that, ma'am?
N and n plus 1. First number between the square of n. Okay, between the square of n and the square of n plus 1, there are 2n non-square numbers. Okay, just tell
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Okay, just tell me. Okay, what is that? N square. Okay, example. Just try to write the example. First number n square. Okay, we can take first natural number 1. Okay, n square is equal to 1 square. That n particular place we can substitute any number. Okay, so we are just now I'm taking this 1 only. Okay, so n square is equal to 1 square. What is the answer? 1. Okay, next one. N plus 1 the whole square. N plus 1 the whole square. N plus 1 the whole square is equal to?
4.
Hmm?
4.
N, okay, now n is 1 only.
Is equal
1
to
plus,
4.
just write, it is equal to 1 plus 1 the whole square. 1 plus 1? 2. 2 square is?
4.
4. In between, okay, 1 and 4. Just check the numbers in between. How many non-squares are non-square numbers? Find out.
3.
Find out. First number is 1 only. 1 square is equal to 1. Second number? Square number is 4 only. In between, how many numbers are there? 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So, what is the statement? Between the square of n and n plus 1. Okay, first number n means n square, and next one is n plus whole square. Okay, in between 2n non-square numbers are there. Okay, here first one in between two numbers. check the other number. Just try to substitute 2 in n place. 2 square is equal to
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. Okay, next 2 plus n plus 1 only, no? Next one. First one n place. Okay, first n square. That means 2 square is equal to 4. Next one n plus 1 the whole square. That means 2 plus 1 the whole square. It is equal to 9. So what? How many numbers are there?
4.
Hmm?
4 numbers.
Count it. 5, 6, 7, 8. The double only 2n. So 2 when we are taking n is equal to 2. The double only 2n means 2 into n. N place we are substituting 2 only. 2 into n means 2 into 2 4. So 4 numbers are there. Okay. Now we'll substitute 3 means what will come? 3. So n is equal to 3. So n square. 3 into 3. 3 square is equal to
9, ma'am.
9. Okay. Now just to find out n plus 1 the whole square. That means 3 plus 1 whole square is equal to 3 plus 1. 4. 4. 3 plus 1. 4. 4 square is equal to 16. Okay. 9 to 16. Just count out. 9 after 10, 11, 12,
numbers.
13, 14, 15, 16. So just 16 only. In between, how many numbers are there?
6 numbers.
6 numbers. So what is n? 2n only. So we are substituting 2 into what is the n we are choose? 3. 3 on. 2 3s are
6,
6.
ma'am.
Now clear?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all. One more is there, okay? Enough? I will take more. Is the time is over? No. Vijay?
Don't know.
Don't know. Yeah. Check your in tab or connected in laptop. Just check the time.
6:30.
6:30.
6:36.
Okay. We'll take 1 more hour. 1 hour. Huh? I didn't get the reply. Hmm?